In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gold, also known as XAUUSD, on MetaTrader 5. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so that gold appears in your Market Watch window and is ready for analysis or trading. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're logged into your trading account. On the platform, you'll see a menu bar at the top of the screen. Move your mouse to the View menu. This is where you control most of the panels and tool windows you see on your screen. Click on View, and from the drop-down list that appears, select Market Watch. If Market Watch is already visible, that's fine. This will simply confirm that you're in the right place. Market Watch is the panel that shows all the available symbols, such as currency pairs, indices, and of course, gold. Next, move your cursor into the Market Watch window itself. Inside this panel, you'll see a list of instruments, usually with their bid and ask prices updating in real time. To access the full list of tradable symbols, right-click anywhere inside the Market Watch window. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Symbols. This opens a new window that contains all the symbol groups your broker offers. Think of this symbols window as the master list where you can turn instruments on or off for display in Market Watch. In the Symbols window, look for a search field or simply start typing the word gold. On many platforms, gold against the US dollar is labeled as XAUUSD, but typing gold will usually find it as well. As you type, the platform will filter the list and show any symbols related to gold. Once you see gold or XAUUSD appear in the list, click on it to select it. Then enable or show the symbol, depending on how your platform labels that option. When it's active, you'll know it's been added to your available instruments. Now you can close the symbols window. Look back at your Market Watch panel and you should see gold or XAUUSD listed among your other instruments. From here, you can drag it onto a chart area to open a new chart, or simply keep it in Market Watch to monitor its price. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added gold to MetaTrader 5 and you're ready to start watching or trading the XAUUSD market.